I'm here in my garage, and what we have here is 140 drops. What is a drop, you might ask? Well, I'll show you later when I get out to the bush. Okay, I'm out here in the bush, and it's Sunday. You may notice that I don't have my blaze orange sweatshirt on, but actually I do. It's underneath my jacket here. I've got 4 layers on. It's cold and getting colder. It's windy. We're not that far from Lake Superior, and they have gale warnings out on Lake Superior. So I've got my heavier duty battery operated heated gloves because the cold does a number on my hands. And today I want to put in drops, which requires a little dexterous work getting what is a drop, I hear you ask, for those who didn't watch my videos last year. This is a drop. This is about 3 feet of tubing, and it's got a T on one side, and it's got a tap on the other. And this goes into the sap line, and then this next spring will go into the tree, and that's how we get the sap. The sap will run down this tube, will run to the tube that it's connected to, and then flow all the way down the hill to a tank where we'll collect the sap. So, we'll see how long I last. By all rights, I should be in watching football right now, but I don't have enough time to do everything I need to do, so I'm going to brave it out here for a while and see how it goes. By the way, last night I attached colored zip ties to each of the taps, and I know how many are each of the drops, and I know how many drops I have with each, with the different colored zip ties. And so this is going to give me an accurate count of how many trees I'm counting, how many taps I'm putting in. I've been messed up with the other methods because I've inadvertently marked some trees as being tapped, but they turned out to be ash trees. And so I'm not going to tap them. So this will give me the answer that I'm looking for. So wish me luck, and I'm out to do it.